Hi friend, 2 months for the AIIMS PG and 4 months for the NEET PG. It's a high time to know the strategy for the last time revision. I'm Dr. Mehboob, resident ophthalmology, AIIMS, New Delhi. Watch the video till the end to know the complete strategy. Hi friend, I have divided the subjects into 3 parts depending upon the number of questions in the exam into major, intermediate and minor subjects. The major subjects includes medicine, surgery, obs, gynae, pathology, pharma, micro and PSM. The intermediate subjects includes anatomy, physio, bio, chem, eye, ENT, peds. And the minor subjects include FMT, anesthesia, ortho, radio, psychiatry and derma. I want to just deliver you that you have to be thorough throughout the subjects. Means in this last time of revision, you should have the grasp or in the brain circulation of all the 19 subjects. So you have to dedicate into these 3 categories per day. How to give the daily time to these 3 categories? Very simple. Dedicate 2 to 2.5 hours per day into the minor subjects, 3 to 4 hours in the intermediate subjects, and 4 to 5 hours in the major subjects. Now, how to give and how to utilize these hours? I will tell you, very important. In this last time of revision, MCQs is very important to make. Why? Because MCQ practice helps you to click on in your exam about certain topics. Okay, so my strategy is very simple. A very simple strategy that I want to tell you. It is MCQ to notes strategy. Means you have to make MCQ. Through that MCQ, choose the topic, take out your notes. I know everybody have the notes. Take out your notes, mark the topic, read the topic, and all the questions from the topic that have been asked. More importantly, the common questions, repeated questions, and the recent year questions. Very important. Not the rare topics you need to be thorough with. You have to be thorough with the common, repeated, and the recent year questions. Very important. So MCQ to notes strategy is very important. Okay, make the MCQ, read the related topics and mark that topic in your notes. Okay, very important. Then you have to be thorough with the common topics, MCQ repeated from the recent exam. I personally suggest that 3 years or 4 years recent examination question is very important. Okay, and the repeated question is very important. Okay, because they will be asked, because I think 50% of the questions in each and every exam are repeated either directly or indirectly. This is very important to understand. Okay, so mark the topics in the notes via MCQ. This will help you at the end of when you are completing a subject. This will help you to know that how much notes you have left with. Okay, then very important to understand the deadline to complete the subject. Suppose for the minor subject anesthesia, you have you have given 2 to 2.5 hours per day to the anesthesia in the whole day. Okay, and you are going from MCQ to the notes. So select a deadline for the anesthesia like 3 days or 4 days. You have to complete the anesthesia with MCQ in 4 days. Okay, then you have to go for the MCQ, and through that MCQ go to the notes, mark the topic that you have read or you are doing the MCQs of. Okay, now after 3 days, take out your notes. Don't go for the MCQ. See what are the topics that you are left with. Okay, read that topic from the notes. Then I think you will have the fulfillment of the completion of the notes, as well as you will have the ample amount of the MCQ practiced. This is very important. MCQ practice through notes will give you a confidence, and this will help you to make the questions, and also the practicing questions is very important. Moving to that, you have to see what I have written. Unread topic of the notes to be completed in days of the deadlines. I have told you about anesthesia. Suppose this is for medicine or surgery. You are giving 10 days or 8 days, 4 to 5 hours per day, and total 8 days in medicine or surgery. Then for the 6 days or 5 days or 6 days, you have to do practice MCQ, and through that MCQ go to the notes, read the notes, mark the notes, the topic that you have made the MCQ, the common MCQ, the repeated MCQ, and the recent years MCQs. Important. And after 6 days, you have remaining 4 days or 3 days, whatever the deadline you are fixing. Read that unread topic that you have not marked or that you have not covered with the MCQ. Okay. And then you, at the end of your deadline, you will be having a completeness of the subject, and you must have done an ample amount of the MCQ. Okay, this is very important. Like this, you will be able to cover maximum MCQ and the completeness of the subject, which will enhance your confidence during the exam. It's very important. The last point that I want to mention, that grand test is very important, especially based on the NEET PG and AIIMS PG pattern. A lot of institutes are taking this NEET PG or AIIMS PG pattern exam. Okay, and some institutes are also giving the All India rank. So try to give the weekly grand test on NEET PG and AIIMS PG pattern, and the solution of that exam is very important. Try to complete all the solution the next day. Okay, don't get disheartened by the rank. If you are getting a good rank, it's a well and good. If you're not getting a good rank, it does not mean that you will not get a good rank in the main exam. Okay, try to solve the solutions the next day only. It will help to remember that MCQ, the topic, and what wrong or mistakes you have done. This is very important. Believe me, you will have your graph very high at the end of this study. So it's very important to understand about this. Thanks for watching this video. For more videos, just go to my channel. That's it. Thank you very much.